us to collect traffic from multiple remote devices to a local switch. Not being dependent on a capture device, location is very helpful when the analyst is not close to the suspect device. It is also allow a quick configuration and capture of data to help mitigate an attack from a remote location. RSPAN builds on local span by allowing the destination to be a VLAN that can be forwarded through hops or 802.1q trunks. RSPAN is usually restricted to high-end switches and routers, but as the evolution of the network continues, we seeing this feature on more devices. In order for RSPAN to operate, the transport switches between the two endpoints must support VLANs. The endpoints themselves also must support RSPAN. In the example, there is a workstation connected to switch 1 on port GI or gig 1/0/12. Across the network, notice that the server is connected to switch port on port GI or gig 1/0/7, and the collection device is on switch 2 on port GI 1/0/48. The configuration is similar to local RSPAN, but as you can see, some commands are directed to VLANs instead of ports. On switch 1 is a global configuration mode. Type monitor session 1 source interface GI 1/0/12, which connects the workstation to the RSPAN session. Next, type monitor session 1 destination remote VLAN 999 or 999. The number 1 after session 1 is the name of the session. On switch 2 in global config mode, type monitor session 1 source remote VLAN 999. This command monitors VLAN 999 for the traffic coming from switch 1. The command monitor session 1 destination interface GI 1/0/48 sends the message from switch 1 to the capture device. Next, we will connect another RSPAN session from the local server to the capture device. You will type monitor session to source interface GI 1/0/7 to connect to the server to the connected RSPAN. And finally, you will enter monitor session to destination remote VLAN 999, which sends the traffic from the local server to the capture device. Some of the benefit of RSPAN are that it uses existing hardware and there is really no need to buy or insert network tabs. It does support some filter capability and required no downtime to configure and use. Best of all, it does require the capture device to be locally attached to the source ports. Unfortunately, however, RSPAN can increase the likelihood of network performance issues. Network bottlenecks can quickly limit the throughput of multiple monitoring sessions. The end devices also must support RSPAN, while the middle devices must support VLANs and possibly 802.1q. Note that the functionality and configuration vary from platform to platform. This was all from the remote switch port analyzer that was a part of switch port analyzer.